Ladies and gentlemen, if you are over 65 and you feel cold feet, heavy legs, numbness, tingling, cramps, or weakness, listen very carefully because what I'm about to share with you can make a real difference in your circulation, mobility, and independence. Poor blood flow in the legs is not normal aging. It is a warning sign. And the good news is your body still has the ability to restore circulation naturally if you give it the right fuel. Today I'm going to share one simple drink that can help increase blood flow to your legs quickly, support your arteries, and help oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles again. No drugs, no expensive supplements, just something natural that works with your body. Why blood flow to the legs matters after 65. As we age, blood vessels become stiffer and narrower. Plaque builds up, nitric oxide levels drop. This means less blood reaches your legs, and when that happens, you may notice cold feet, pain when walking, leg fatigue, swelling, that's slow healing, increased fall risk. If blood can get where it needs to go, your legs will lose strength, but here sits the key. Blood flow can be improved fast when you activate nitric oxide. Many people believe that feeling tired, heavy, or cold in their legs after 65 is just a normal part of aging, and nothing could be further from the truth. I hear it all the time from my patients. Doctor, my legs feel weak and numb. I get cramps at night, and I just can't walk like I used to. Is this just because I'm old? And the honest answer is no, it's not just aging. These are signals your body is sending you, warning signs that your circulation is compromised, that your blood flow isn't reaching your muscles and nerves like it should. And the most important thing to understand is that your body still has the ability to respond and improve even after 65. The key is knowing what to do to support it. You see, many people assume that circulation problems are inevitable. They think, I'm over 65, so my legs will always feel heavy or cold. But that mindset is dangerous. When you accept poor circulation as normal, you ignore the subtle but important signs that your body needs help. Poor blood flow doesn't just make your legs uncomfortable. It can affect your mobility, strength, balance, and even your independence. When blood cannot flow freely, your muscles don't get enough oxygen and nutrients. Your nerves may become irritated or numb. And over time, this can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, swelling, and an increased risk of falls. That's why it's so important to recognize these warning signs early. Let's talk about some of the most common signals. You might notice your feet or lower legs feel cold even in warm rooms. Maybe your calves feel heavy after walking a short distance, or you get cramps at night that wake you from sleep. Perhaps you've noticed a tingling or pins and needles sensation in your legs. All of these are your body's way of saying, I need more blood, I need more oxygen, I need more nutrients. And it's not because your body is failing, you simply need to give it the right support. Here's an important point that often surprises people. Blood flow slows down as vessels become less flexible with age, but this is not irreversible. Your arteries may narrow slightly over time, or plaque may build up, but your body still has ways to restore circulation. In fact, there are natural strategies that can help your blood vessels relax and widen, improve oxygen delivery, and restore nutrient flow to your muscles and nerves. You can actually feel your legs getting lighter and stronger even if you're in your late 60s, 70s, or beyond. Many seniors also underestimate the role of lifestyle. Simple habits can have a huge impact on circulation. Sitting for hours, not drinking enough water, skipping light exercise, these small choices can worsen blood flow over time. But the reverse is true too. Gentle movement, staying hydrated, and adding circulation supporting foods to your diet can dramatically improve the way your legs feel. You can reverse the heaviness, numbness, and fatigue if you act consistently. Another critical point is awareness. Many people suffer silently because they think these symptoms are just normal aging, but recognizing that these feelings are warning signs, not inevitable decline, is the first step toward change. If you feel your legs dragging, cold, or weak, it's your body telling you to take action. Ignoring it only allows the problem to progress. But when you listen to your body and respond with the right strategies, whether it's a natural drink, light exercises, or dietary adjustments, you can make a real difference in your circulation and overall quality of life. Let me share a truth that may inspire you. Circulation is not fixed. Your arteries are not permanently stiff, and your blood flow can improve. In my practice, I've seen seniors in their 70s and 80s regain leg strength and warmth after just a few weeks of natural interventions. They walk more comfortably, feel more energetic, and regain a sense of independence they thought was gone. And the secret isn't complicated. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to function the way it's meant to. I want you to take this to heart. Feeling heavy legs, cold feet, cramps, or tingling is your body asking for help, not telling you you're too old. These symptoms are a sign that something can change. They are an opportunity to take action to support your circulation naturally and safely and to restore your strength and mobility. You have the ability to improve blood flow, to increase oxygen delivery to your muscles, and to feel your legs come alive again. This is the mindset I encourage all my patients to adopt. Don't accept poor circulation as your fate. Don't resign yourself to weakness or discomfort. Instead, see it as a signal, a chance to give your body the support it needs. The sooner you respond, the better your results. Even small changes like a single daily drink to boost nitric oxide, light leg exercises, or improving hydration can make a profound difference in how your legs feel and function. Remember, your legs are not meant to be heavy, numb, or painful. They are meant to carry you through life, to let you move, walk, and enjoy your independence. And no matter your age, it's possible to improve circulation and feel stronger, more energetic, and more capable than you have in years. You just need to recognize the signs, take action, and support your body with the right tools. So the first key point I want you to take away is this poor leg circulation is not normal aging. It is a warning signal and a call to action. When you understand this, you realize that you still have the power to improve your circulation, restore strength, and enjoy better mobility. Don't wait till discomfort becomes severe or your legs weaken further. Start today, listen to your body, and take the steps that will allow your blood to flow freely again. Your legs and your life will thank you. Now that we understand that poor circulation is not just a normal part of aging, let's talk about how we can actively improve it. And there's one simple, natural solution that I want every senior over 65 to know about because it works, it's safe, and it can make a noticeable difference in leg blood flow faster than many people expect. That solution is beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is not a gimmick. It's not some new fad or expensive supplement. This is a food that has been used for centuries, and modern science now confirms what traditional wisdom has known. Beets are incredibly powerful for supporting circulation and cardiovascular health. The reason lies in a compound called dietary nitrate. When you drink beetroot juice, your body converts the nitrates into a molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is literally nature's blood vessel relaxer. It signals your arteries and veins to open wider, allowing more blood to flow freely through your legs, your feet, and your entire lower body. This widening of the blood vessels is called vasodilation, and it is one of the most important mechanisms for improving circulation naturally. Why does this matter so much after 65? As we age, the walls of our blood vessels become stiffer, less flexible, plaque can accumulate, blood pressure can rise, and your body produces less nitric oxide naturally. All of this slows blood flow. When blood flow is slowed, oxygen and nutrients cannot reach your muscles and nerves efficiently. This is what causes that heaviness in your legs, cramps, tingling, numbness, and fatigue. But the beauty of beetroot juice is that it directly addresses this problem at a molecular level. It helps your body produce the very compound it's lacking, opening blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more freely. Many studies have shown that seniors who include beetroot juice in their daily routine experience faster walking speeds, improved stamina, and reduced leg discomfort. Athletes, of course, have used beetroot juice for years to enhance performance, but the same principles apply to older adults. Your body may not be sprinting a marathon, but your muscles and joints still need oxygen and nutrients to stay strong, to recover, and to maintain function. And when blood flow is improved, everything in your legs works better. What's truly remarkable is how fast beetroot juice can work. Some people notice a difference in as little as 30 to 60 minutes after drinking a small glass. The muscles feel warmer, the legs feel lighter, and movement becomes easier. For someone who has struggled with poor circulation for years, this can be a game changer. Imagine walking across a room or down a hallway and feeling your legs respond with strength instead of fatigue. That's not just comfort, it's independence. Another important point is safety. Beetroot juice is natural, non-toxic, and has very few side effects when used in moderation. It's simply a food. Unlike medications that may carry risks of dizziness, low blood pressure, or interactions with other prescriptions, beet juice supports your body without harming it. It's a gift from nature that works in harmony with your physiology. Let me explain why nitric oxide is so powerful. Nitric oxide doesn't just open your blood vessels, it also reduces inflammation, improves oxygen delivery, and supports the health of your blood vessels over time. This means that with consistent use, you're not just getting a quick boost in circulation, you're helping your arteries stay flexible and healthy, which is a critical factor for preventing complications like peripheral artery disease, varicose veins, and even heart problems. Beetroot juice is not just a temporary fix, it's part of a long-term strategy for better leg and overall vascular health. Now I want to address a common concern. Some people worry that beet juice might be too strong or that it could interfere with medications. The truth is, for most people, a small daily glass is both safe and effective. If you have very low blood pressure or kidney issues, you may start with a smaller amount, but for the majority of seniors, beetroot juice is an easy and reliable way to support circulation. You might be wondering about taste. Yes, beet juice has an earthy flavor, but it can be enhanced naturally. A squeeze of lemon, a pinch of ginger, or even blending it with a small amount of carrot or apple juice makes it very palatable. The important thing is consistency. Drinking a small glass daily, ideally in the morning or early afternoon, can provide the circulatory support your legs need. And remember, beetroot juice works best when combined with movement. Drinking it while sitting all day is helpful, but walking, stretching, or doing light leg exercises after consumption can tell your body where to direct that extra blood flow, maximizing the benefits. Think of it as giving your body a green light to deliver nutrients and oxygen exactly where they are needed. Here's the bottom line. Beetroot juice is a simple, natural, and powerful tool that seniors over 65 can use to improve leg circulation. It works by increasing nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels, boosting oxygen delivery, and helping muscles and nerves function better. It can reduce heaviness, tingling, numbness, and fatigue, giving your legs the energy and strength they need. And the best part, it's completely natural, inexpensive, and safe for most people. If you take nothing else from this discussion, take this beetroot juice as one of the most effective natural ways to support blood flow in your legs after 65. It's not magic, but it's as close to magic as a food can get. Pair it with gentle movement, consistency, and a healthy lifestyle, and you can dramatically improve circulation and quality of life. Your legs don't have to suffer, your mobility doesn't have to decline, and your independence doesn't have to be threatened by simply incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine. You are giving your body the chance to respond, to heal, and to thrive. Remember, circulation is not something that has to decline with age. It can improve, and it can improve quickly. Beetroot juice is one of the easiest, fastest, and most effective ways to make that happen. Now that we understand that poor circulation is a signal and that beetroot juice can help boost blood flow in the legs, let's talk about something equally important: how fast and simple this can actually work for you. One of the most remarkable things about using natural strategies like beetroot juice is how quickly your body can respond, sometimes within 30 to 60 minutes. And this is not just a subtle difference. For many seniors, it's a noticeable, tangible change in how their legs feel, how they move, and how energized they are. When most people think about improving circulation, they imagine a long, slow process, months of exercising, waiting for medications to kick in, or complex medical interventions. But the human body is incredibly responsive, even after 65. The moment you provide the right stimulus, whether it's a natural drink like beetroot juice, a small movement exercise, or gentle stretches, your blood vessels begin to respond almost immediately. This is because nitric oxide, the molecule created from beet nitrates, relaxes and widens your blood vessels quickly, allowing oxygen-rich blood to rush to areas that have been starved for circulation. Imagine this for a moment. Your legs have been feeling heavy, tired, and numb, and suddenly within an hour they feel lighter, warmer, and more energized. This is the power of fast-acting, natural circulatory support. It's not just about comfort, it's about function. When your legs receive the blood flow they need, your muscles can contract efficiently, your joints can move smoothly, and your nerves are better nourished. The difference can be dramatic, and the best part is that it's safe, natural, and repeatable every day. Another reason this approach is fast-acting is that beetroot juice works at a molecular level. Unlike medications that need to be metabolized or lifestyle changes that take weeks to show results, nitrates convert into nitric oxide in your body fairly quickly. Once nitric oxide is available, your blood vessels respond and your body can start delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles almost immediately. Seniors often report that within the first hour they notice warmer feet, reduced leg heaviness, and less tingling. For someone who has struggled with poor circulation for years, this can feel almost miraculous. The speed is not the only factor. Simplicity matters too. One small glass of beetroot juice a day is all it takes to get started. There's no complicated routine, no expensive equipment, and no long learning curve. For seniors, especially those who may already feel overwhelmed by health recommendations, this simplicity is critical. You can incorporate this into your daily life easily, before breakfast, after your morning walk, or even with a light snack. Consistency is key, but the beauty is that even a single glass can provide noticeable benefits in less than an hour. Pairing the drink with light movement amplifies the effect. Drinking beetroot juice while sitting all day is helpful, but adding simple leg exercises, ankle pumps, or a short walk allows your body to direct the extra blood flow exactly where it is needed. Think of it like opening a water valve and guiding the flow to the dry areas. When blood reaches the muscles that are actively moving, oxygen delivery is maximized, toxins are removed efficiently, and your legs feel stronger almost immediately. This combination of natural nitric oxide support and movement is why seniors often report faster improvement than they ever expected. It's also important to understand that fast-acting results can have a psychological impact as well. When you feel immediate improvement in your legs, less heaviness, better mobility, and warmer sensations, it motivates you to continue the routine. Motivation, consistency, and confidence in your body's response are all interconnected. Seeing results quickly reinforces the belief that your body can still respond and heal even after 65. This is a critical mindset for seniors because believing in your body's potential often leads to better adherence and long-term success. Many seniors also find it encouraging that this approach is natural and low risk. Unlike medications that can have side effects, require monitoring, or interact with other prescriptions, a small daily glass of beetroot juice is generally safe for most people. Even those with mild health conditions can usually start slowly and adjust as needed. This combination of fast results, safety, and simplicity makes it an ideal choice for older adults looking to improve leg circulation without stress or complicated routines. Now let's talk about how you might feel during the first hour. Some people notice a gentle warmth in their feet and calves, a subtle lightness when lifting the legs, or even a tingling sensation as blood flow improves. Others notice that walking across the room is easier and that fatigue dissipates. These are signs that your blood vessels are responding and your muscles are receiving oxygen. It's important to pay attention to these signals. They tell you that your body is working with you, not against you. And while the effects can be felt quickly, remember that consistency over time builds lasting benefits. Drinking beetroot juice daily, combining it with light movement, and supporting circulation through hydration and healthy habits can lead to sustained improvements in leg strength, balance, and mobility. but the immediate fast-acting results serve as a powerful incentive to keep going. It's proof that your body can respond and that your efforts are making a tangible difference. Finally, I want to emphasize the mindset behind this fast-acting approach. Many seniors assume that improving circulation is slow, difficult, and complicated, but the truth is that your body is highly responsive. A small, simple intervention like beetroot juice combined with gentle movement can create a noticeable difference within the first hour. That's empowering. It shows that even after 65, you are not powerless over your circulation. You can take action, you can feel results, and you can improve your leg strength and mobility in ways that support your independence and quality of life. So remember, this improving blood flow to your legs doesn't have to be a long, frustrating process. With fast-acting natural support like beetroot juice paired with simple movement, your legs can feel lighter, warmer, and stronger quickly. And the beauty of this approach is that it is simple, safe, and effective, perfect for seniors who want results they can feel, not just hope for. Now that we've talked about recognizing poor circulation, boosting it with beetroot juice, and how fast it can work, there's one last essential point I want to make. Using natural strategies safely and effectively is just as important as taking action itself. This is a point many seniors overlook. They know they want results, they want lighter, stronger legs, but if they don't approach it safely and thoughtfully, they may not get the full benefit. So let's take a closer look at how to use these strategies responsibly and maximize their impact. First, it's crucial to understand that while beetroot juice is natural and generally safe, it is still powerful. When blood vessels relax and widen, blood pressure can drop slightly and your body may respond differently than expected. For most seniors, this is perfectly fine. But if you have very low blood pressure, kidney issues, or taking medications for heart or circulation, it's wise to start slowly. Begin with a smaller portion, half a glass, and observe how your body reacts. You're not trying to shock your system, you're giving it gentle, consistent support. This allows your body to adjust while still benefiting from improved circulation. Another important safety tip is timing. Beetroot juice is most effective when consumed earlier in the day, morning or early afternoon. It supports energy, circulation, and muscle function, which is exactly what you want during your daily activities. But drinking it late at night may interfere with sleep in some people, particularly those sensitive to natural energy boosts. So a little planning goes a long way. Simple adjustments like this make the difference between a great experience and one that feels overwhelming or uncomfortable. Now let's talk about movement. Drinking beetroot juice is excellent, but combining it with even light leg exercises dramatically enhances results. Think of it this way. The juice opens the blood vessels and increases oxygen delivery, but your muscles need a signal to direct that blood flow where it's needed most. That's why gentle activities like ankle pumps, seated leg lifts, short walks, or calf stretches work hand in hand with natural circulation boosters. These movements tell your body, send the blood here to the muscles that are working. And the results can be immediate. Less heaviness, improved mobility, and a sense of warmth and energy in your legs. Hydration is another piece of the puzzle. Blood is mostly water, so staying hydrated is essential for circulation. Seniors often underestimate this, especially during colder months when the sensation of thirst is reduced. Drinking enough water ensures that blood flows smoothly, delivering nutrients and oxygen efficiently. Think of it like oiling the engine. Without proper hydration, even the best circulation strategies will not perform optimally. Combining hydration, beetroot juice, and gentle movement is a trifecta that can transform leg circulation in a safe and effective way. We also need to talk about monitoring your body's responses. This is especially important if you are over 65 and trying new strategies for circulation. Pay attention to how your legs feel after drinking beet juice and doing light movement. Notice changes in warmth, heaviness, or tingling. Track your progress, even mentally or in a simple journal. This feedback is invaluable. It lets you know what works best for your body, and it helps you adjust safely. If you experience any dizziness, unusual fatigue or discomfort, slow down, reduce the amount of juice, or pause the activity. Your body is your guide, and listening to it is key to safe, sustainable improvement. It's also important to understand that fast results don't mean you should rush or overdo it. Some seniors excited by early improvement may drink too much juice or push too hard with exercises. This can lead to mild digestive discomfort, low blood pressure, or muscle strain. Moderation is critical. A small glass of beetroot juice and gentle movement every day is far more effective and sustainable than overloading your system in a single session. Remember, slow, consistent progress wins over extreme measures. Another consideration is the long-term benefits of consistency. Using beetroot juice safely and pairing it with light exercises not only improves immediate blood flow, but also contributes to long-term vascular health. Over time, your arteries can become more flexible, your circulation can remain strong, and your muscles and nerves can stay nourished. This is the difference between a temporary boost and lasting improvement. Safety ensures that you can maintain this routine indefinitely without setbacks or complications. Finally, mindset plays a huge role in safe and effective results. Approach this with curiosity, patience, and awareness. Be gentle with your body. Celebrate small improvements, whether it's a little more warmth in your feet, less heaviness when standing, or easier movement. Recognize that even small, safe steps accumulate over time, leading to meaningful improvement in leg strength, mobility, and overall quality of life. Your goal is not just temporary relief, it's sustainable health and independence. In summary, taking action is important, but taking action wisely is even more important. Use beetroot juice thoughtfully. Start with small amounts if necessary. Drink it earlier in the day and combine it with gentle movement and proper hydration. Monitor your body's responses and adjust as needed. Avoid overdoing it and focus on consistency over time. By doing so, you not only improve circulation quickly, but also set yourself up for lasting health benefits. This approach empowers you. It puts control back in your hands, showing that even after 65, you can support your legs, your circulation, and your independence safely and effectively. Poor circulation is not an inevitability, and improving it doesn't have to be complicated or risky. With mindfulness, consistency, and the right natural strategies, you can feel lighter, stronger, and more confident in your legs every day. Safety is not a limitation, it's a foundation. It ensures that every step you take toward better circulation is effective, sustainable, and empowering. When you honor your body, listen to its signals, and take measured action, you create the perfect environment for long-lasting leg health, mobility, and vitality. And that is the ultimate goal. Not just temporary improvement, but a renewed sense of strength, freedom, and independence that can carry you through every day.